Hello, my name is Michael. Welcome to my channel, Light Start Adventures. Today we're going to be cooking up Mike's Chili. Okay, let's get started on Mike's Chili. Get the pan started to heat up. We're going to use some bacon drippings. Adds just a little bit of extra flavor. Also, this hamburger that I'm going to use is pretty lean, so I don't want it to stick to the pan. Every year we buy a quarter cow, and this is really good meat. It's nice just to go shopping down in your freezer instead of going to the store. Wash my hands up quick. And I just like to use like a wooden spoon, get in there and chop this up. Then you're going to want to just brown this up and then drain off the grease, and then we're going to make Mike's Chili in the crock pot today. Okay, well, the meat is browning up. We're going to go ahead and chop up our vegetables. I got a half an onion, 3 small hot peppers, quarter green pepper, and a handful of cilantro. Okay, when your meat is brown, now's the time that you're going to want to strain out the grease. Our beef is so lean, I couldn't strain anything out of here. So I'm just going to cook it up like this. And I like to saute my vegetables in with the hamburger for a little bit. Also, one thing I forgot to tell you, when you're cutting up the jalapenos, make sure you either wear gloves or wash your hands after. While this is sauteing, we can go ahead and put in our ingredients. We got fire roasted tomatoes, diced. 2 cans of dark red kidney beans. And 1 can of tomato soup. Stir that up. And then if you're making this way ahead of time, you can just turn it on low and let it cook all day. I'm going to cook mine on high because I want to get it done right now. When you're done sauteing, I like to put in just a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. And I mix that up. And you're going to want to take this and dump it right in your chili in the crock pot. Stir that all together. The final ingredient is 1 tablespoon chili powder. I'll bring you in close and let you see. Doesn't that look good? Are you ready for a taste test? I know I am. This is the way I like to eat my chili. I like white bread with it, with some crackers. Put some cheese on top. And a little bit of sour cream.
That is good.
Well, friends, that's a wrap on Mike's Chili. If you enjoyed that video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye, friends.